myself Subhash Kotta, pursuing in CSCA of Vishnu Institute of Technology. Today, I have presented myself to answer few questions which are most asked in interviews on Node.js. Now, the first question is, what is Node.js and how does it differ from other server-side servers technologies like Apache and PHP? Node.js lets use JavaScript to build web servers. Unlike Apache and PHP, it can handle many requests at once, making it idle and uh, real-time applicable like charts or social media. Second question: what is callback function in Node.js and why are they common used in asynchronous programming? Callback functions uh, Callback are functions you tell in Node.js to run later. That are tell Node.js to run later after an asynchronous is completed. They are commonly because they let your code keep running while waiting for slow tasks. Third question: what is the purpose of the JSON file in a Node.js project? Can you explain the key properties? The package.json file is like a project ID for Node.js. It stores info. It stores info like the project name, version, dependence. Key things. Uh, then they asked key properties. Key properties found in this file. Key properties which are included are name and version and dependencies. Name and version tells us the identifies your product, and dependence lists codes you dependence lists codes you need from others to run the project. Explain the difference between require and import states in Node.js and why would you use one over the other. Require and import are both user import modules in Node.js, but they differ. Require is the older way execution. Use it for existing projects or when ES6 module aren't supported. Import ES6 modules. Import is newer and more flexible. You can use import specific task of a module and it's it's very easy and convenient and does not block any code. And now the fourth question: what is the middleware in the content? What is the middleware in the context of Express.js? Can you give examples how you would use middleware in an Express application? Express.js middleware Express.js middleware is like a pit stop for requests. It's a function that can modify the request or response before it reaches the final destination. If you want up, application in terms of if you want to express it in terms of express application, imagine traffic lights specific routes in your speed traffic lights before specific routes in it. It can check things like time of a day and lets car pass through. What is API and how can you create one using Node.js and Express.js? Explain the main HTTP methods used in RESTful API. Actually, a RESTful API is a way to design web servers. Is a way to design web servers that follow a set of rules for clear communication like a well organized store. It uses standard HTTP methods to manage resources. And the main HTTP methods used in RESTful APIs. Set your project, install Node.js and Express.js, define endpoints, these URLs that handle specific actions. Use HTTP methods like get, post, put, delete, etc. What is the purpose of Node Package Manager (NPM), and how do you use it to manage dependencies in Node.js project? Image, imagine NPM imagine NPM as a giant toolbox for Node.js. It lets you find and install pre-written code packages to add features to your project. You didn't need to reinvent the wheel. To use it, you write commands in terminal like npm install express, npm update, etc. npm keep tracks of your project dependencies like package.json and makes it easy to share and manage the project. And the final question, why it is important to hash passwords in a web application? Actually, storing passwords as plain text is storing storing passwords as plain text is risky. Hashing turns them into unreadable codes. Even if a hacker steals the database, they can't crack the password easily. It's like having a secret code into your account instead of leaving the door wide open. These are the most asked questions in interviews on Node.js. Thank you.